Hello guys, back to my channel. Currently we are going to talk about the next episode from the previous tutorial, which is the cron job daily cron job scheduler, sorry. So for now we are gonna talk about email verification, and this one should be the sending OTP, and how to create that we are going to cover in this episode. So let's go. So first we need to create new OTP codes table migration scheme, which is the schema to store the security OTP codes, right? And I wanted to try to check the last migration comment. I forgot about it, so let me check the previous comment we do, or just asking how to create migration file. The comment I think should be, wait, I will check out first to the branch of 017. This is 016, yeah, sorry, 016, and then email verification. Okay, is this correct? The last one is 15. Okay, then 16. Now 16. Okay, this is the name. I think the migration should be migrate create -ext sql -dir db migration -sequence stands for sequence. And now we are gonna do the create OTP table. I think this should be okay. And then now we have two, which is create OTP table up and table down. So for up, we're gonna do create table OTP codes, and then semicolon, and then this should be jar 36 and primary key and user ID jar again. Just copy paste and not null, and then again this should be code. I want it to be 6, and this one type can be email, can be email or email verification or password reset. Then expires at timestamp not null, and created at timestamp default current timestamp. And I wanted to use boolean and not null. Default should be false, and then foreign key, user ID, references, users, and this ID on delete cascade. Okay, and then we just cover all. ID, user ID, code type expires at, used, created at, and foreign key. Okay, I think should be okay. And then for the down one, drop table if exists OTP codes. Then we go migrate pass db migration and dash database MySQL go wallet user go wallet password TCP localhost 3006 dash go wallet slash go wallet, sorry, and then up. Wait, up, not up. Okay, we check on the DB. We connect the database, and then we check we have on OTP codes, should be works. Okay, then now we are going to do the configuration for the env file. We add the SMTP host, then SMTP port as an SMTP from. We do it the mail hop right now because we are going in the tutorial, so we use only dummy SMTP. But in the real case, we should use external server email such as SendGrid or Mailgun, maybe if I'm mistaken, because we need the TCP connection, and then we need the email can be sent for the real to the real user email. So this is only example for the local. So now we are going to create the Docker Compose with the env. I think I wanna copy paste here. I use localhost and then 1025 and then no reply at gowallet.com maybe. Then now we go to the Docker Compose, and then here we add mailhawk and then image mailhawk latest and ports. This one is SMTP port, this one is web UI dashboard port. Okay, then we add the restart always, and then we do the Docker Compose admin -d. So we are waiting here. Wait until the mailhawk downloaded completely. We go to the load config now. Config, we load the SMTP, SMTP host here. Wait, sorry, should be SMTP host string and then port and then from. Here we create the variable SMTP host os.getEnv SMTP host. If SMTP host equal to empty string, we add SMTP host can be localhost, and we do like this again and again. This should be port, this should be from. This one port, copy from, copy. Okay, and then here, yeah, we see here in the desktop we got this one. We go to the localhost, yeah, we get the mailhawk. This look like the email, yeah, the Gmail maybe, or not. Yeah, we need, well, we just demoing currently, so no problem lah for now. Okay, then we need to create a new file in internal, which is folder email, and then email.go. Then here package email, and then type email sender interface, and send email cdx context to string, subject string, body string, and error. I want to copy here the type smtp email sender, struct host string, port string, from string, and func new smtp email sender, host string, port string, from string, email sender, return smtp email sender, host port, and from. What is this? What is this error? Missing methods and email. Okay, we send email. Okay, so now the send email, I want to have message byte, and then this one, yeah, fmt print f2 %s \r \n subject %s \r n r n %s r n. Then to subject body. Okay, this one should be good. Return nil, yeah, and then here for local testing with mailhawk, we send without else, yeah, because if we do with other, not a mailhawk, sometimes we need an auth, s.host plus here colon and s.port and error smtp dot sendmail address nil s.from string 2 and message, and if error not nil, we return error, and we do the logger.log.info error failed to send email via smtp to error. Okay, this one. Okay, and then wait, yeah, email sent successfully to okay. So we need to create OTP model. In here we create a new folder OTP, we create a folder model. Wait, this should be folder model. File or folder should be the otp.co. Here I want to create model. Move inside otp.co. I package model type otp struct id string json id user id string json user id. Okay, I think code type this is model from MySQL, and expires at should be time expires at this one can be email verif password reset verification. Here use bool and just use create a time, and then here. Okay, we go to the repository. We create the repository folder. We create the repository.go package repository type OTP repository interface create context of model dot wait not model. We look at the OTP model. Yeah, get active OTP can be user ID code string user ID string, and then we have code string and OTP type string. We return model.otp and then error OTP type. Okay, forget the comma, and then here marks as used, and then context. Yeah, this one should be good. Get active OTP and then type MySQL OTP repository struct. We do the db.sql.db func new MySQL OTP repository and OTP repository return db, and then this one create query. I think I wanna try to code by myself. Query should be insert into OTP codes, and then ID user ID code type expires at use values can be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, 6. I think I want it to be here like this, and comma error rdbx context, and yeah, this one, and return error. This one should be query and then check select ID. I want to have select ID, then here from OTP codes, ID, user ID, code type expires at used from OTP codes, and where user ID and code and type then and expires at more than now and used 0. Okay, I think this one should be okay, and I create an here variable wait o equal to model OTP and error r.db.co query row context ctx query user ID code OTP type, and then can scan and here scan o ID user ID o dot code type expires at and used, and then if error not nil, return nil or error, but we check if error is error SQL error no rows, we return nil errors dot new active OTP not found or expired, and then if don't, then we should be okay. Here query update OTP codes set used to be 1 where ID equal to asterisk, then here we do here, and if error no we return only error, yeah, just like this. I think the repository should be okay. Fail this is no need. Okay, typical should be okay. Then how about the other repository, right? We check, are we creating the correct one? Error which one return error? Okay, this one we return an error, so okay, we follow the code structure. Then we initiate to the command main.go cmd main.go, here user service, new user service. I wanted to create before this one, so initiate here, email initiate email sender and OTP repository. So here email sender email dot new smtp email gfg dot smt host gfg dot smtp port gfg dot smtp from. Okay, this one should be okay, and then we OTP repo. Wait, I want to here OTP repo OTP repository. So OTP repo equal to OTP repository dot new MySQL, and then new MySQL OTP repo, and then DB. In the user service, I want to inject here DB RTP repo W repo OTP repo and email sender. And here in user repository, we need to add, right? We need to add the order. So here struct OTP repo and email sender. OTP repository, we copy here OTP repo story and email. And this one OTP repo. Yeah, here we add like this, and here we also hit like this. Okay, so the service as well, we need to mock wallet like this, OTP repo and email, OTP repo and email. OTP repo story. Wait, OTP repo and email. This one OTP repo, I wanted to make this big like this. Later, I don't want to touch this first. And currently we are going to inject the OTP repo to an email sender to struct service. Update the method register, right? Here we go here, the method register, we OTP. Before that, we create after commit DB success here. After DB commit success, here generate OTP utils no store. Wait, first we just generate OTP. Wait, we need to generate OTP, right? I think, but we don't have the OTP repo here. Generate OTP, here we should create an OTP generation. Generate OTP should be like this. No. Okay, wait, we just do here first of all. 1 2 3 4 5 6. OTP code should be here, and then OTP model cannot OTP code just like this. We need to add a generator string, generator, but now just like this. First OTP model dot OTP. So OTP model, we need to create here OTP model, should be GitHub OTP model, and then used first new UUID and user ID, OTP code, email verification, and then time 15 minutes, then use false, and then save to DB, create G context OTP model, and logger, I think just logger, because we cannot return this, yeah. Log.error, and then file to OTP, file to save OTP, and then we do here go func we create background context, cancel context with timeout, and context background, and then time 10 time.second. Okay, time.second, yeah. And defer cancel, and subject go wallet verify your email, body fmt sprint f hello %s dash n your email, your verification code is %s \n, and this code will expire in 15 minutes, and then we pass the full name and OTP code, user dot full name and OTP code, and then we need to this one invoke, yeah. And here we s.email sender .send email, background context, user.email, email, and subject and body, and then okay, we create the handler confirmation verification. Handler verification confirmation. In the handler user here. Type, I want to create a type. Wait, here no, type should be in bottom or not, I'm not sure. I just create here first type verify OTP request struct code JSON code, and binding required, and length should be 6, yeah. And then func h user handler, verify email cjeans dot context, here user ID, and then far right verify OTP request, and if error should bind JSON, we just invalid input, and yep, like this. And we should create a verify email, with this one, and then yeah, this should be okay. If we should create in the service, user service, here verify email, and we here add verify email, fan active OTP. Okay, sync we can do this, but let me check. Okay, wait. First thing I want to ask I want to ask AI to handle the service test for now. And now in service we should get OTP from get active OTP, and if valid, update the table user. Update the table is verified used to be 1, yeah, I think. And then we have user is verified or not. I think we don't have yet is verified, so yeah, this one later lah, I think. So we need here if valid users is verified should be 1, like this. Okay, I wanted to try here user ID here should be comment first, I think. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to asking this one, send to agent, yeah, this one. Please check service test user service and fix it, the error. And then I think, okay, if we go run main go, should be not error, right? Should be error because the handler, this one I wanted to comment first. But if we run without waiting the service test is done, I think we still can have. And I want to try to register. Do we have people here? I think user okay, for Himalayan. Okay, wait, free Rencast, anime characters, hater. Okay, hater, I think Stark lah. I think I want to try with Stark. Here Stark. If we try, do we have the email here? No. So we try to OTP codes. We have the data, the user Stark. I think we still not work yet the email because this OTP code is not safe as well. Let me check with here with an AI. Sim this service. Okay, accept cron job testing only. Cron job testing only. The cron job testing only is still here, yeah. Cron job testing only. I think I need to delete the cron job testing only here. Okay, I wanted to try to delete, and I delete this one. should be fine. And I try test, I don't know, passing successfully mocked FTP. So created mock already, and then here we are not yet have the OTP codes, so I wanted to asking here. So the to do create OTP is already done, and then I wanted to try to the service that we have here, the generate OTP. Please create proper OTP generator. And then crypto random, and then okay, I think accept, and here I think okay, and OTP code, yeah, he should okay, save OTP create. Go wallet, verify your email. This should be sending the email but not working. Why? I'm not really sure. Let me check. This should be okay. And I wanted to print empty.println no OTP code. Yeah, OTP code should be OTP code. Okay, should be header OTP code is Go wallet OTP codes doesn't exist, and we OTP code we have 352487, but we have doesn't exist. They said why, I'm not sure. Let me check here. OTP codes, Go wallet OTP codes, OTP. Oh, I'm really sorry for this. OTP should be OTP, not OPT. I'm sorry, this one is the problem. I wanted to try to rename here as a OTP. So OTP codes, save. Yep, rename table. And I wanted to try header 1. Hey, wait, sorry, we are not starting yet. Header 1. Okay, the header 1 should be good. Is this sending? We have the DB. Okay, the code is already here. Use 0, and if we check, the level is wait, chat. Okay, copy. Why I got this one? Example fail, dial TCP is error. If I'm not mistaken, I have already passed the port, but why this error, I'm not sure. We go to this new SMTP. Oh, is it what the last one? I think what the last one. Okay, the config one, SMTP localhost SMTP from, oh, I see this one. Yeah, SMTP should be from. Go test. Okay, I wanted to try again with the email header 2. Is this gotten, yeah, this one we got an email, the verification 570639. Then we got this one, header 3, email 2. We try again, yeah, header 2, this one header 3, header 2. Okay, this one should be good. And then what is this? Incorrect parameter. Before is host, and from. Should be host, port, and from. Okay, my bad for that. I think instead of localhost. Okay, email sent successfully. And then I wanted to create this one. So I wanted to add the migration. This one is alter the app is verified to users, and I just copy here is verified, and then the down one, yeah, and then the up here after avatar URL, but this add column should be is verified boolean null default false. Yeah, I think, is this correct? I think this one after avatar. Yes, the syntax is correct, not null rather than null. Okay, is verified. We are not null the false after avatar URL. This one okay. I wanted to migrate, and then okay, we got here user. We check, we have is verified 0, and then I wanted to add the handler. This one, please create handler. Please create service for this. We waiting first, and we go check what they do. Avatar is verified boolean. This should be okay. This should be okay. For the repository, mark used tx. What is mark as used tx? They create the tx here. Okay, then no problem. Okay, this one should be okay. Mark repo, this one mark use tx. Okay, the repository update verification status and status tx. Okay, get by id, avatar URL. This one okay, no problem, because they only adding the data, yeah, no problem, so it will not breaking. And then for the mock repository also can. And then verify email he get active OTP, and then invalid OTP, custom error should be okay. Begin transaction, he also roll back, he update verification status transaction mark used. Okay, I think should be fine. This one get user ID, this one okay, this one okay, and here verify email okay, and the last one the test verify email okay. I think we will follow this guy. Service test.go he okay. Okay, I think we can try to go run cmd main.go, and then the API user verify I think duplicate verify email, I think verify email and verify email. The body should be only this one, the code. Okay, code, I think I delete this one, I use JSON code. This guy need verify email I'll protect it, so we need to log in first. I think I wanna go with header 2, so the code from header 2 should be this one, and then I want to log in with the header 2. This should be okay. We save to Go Wallet, and then this one should be authorization authorization also. This email verified successfully. We check on the DB header 2 email, not name. This one should be verified 1. Okay, this email verification is working fine. And then I think I'm gonna generate the commit one and commit and publish the branch. Okay, you can add the forgot password with this kind of following data, but it's up to you. For me, now we are done with this tutorial, and see you next time. Thank you.